Welcome to Major League Soccer in 2024.
This is a massive moment to have exceptional players playing in this country. But this league is a tough league.
Ready?
This is soccer. This is the life.
There's always someone better, faster, stronger. And you just got to keep up.
Have a family. As you get older, it gets harder.
Missing this time with him is valuable.
Cavin Sullivan, 14 years old.
I worry about him, but I think he's pretty grounded.
When you come from Barcelona, you always need to prove that you come from Barcelona.
Ricky Pooch. Oh, it's got in!
I try to teach them, we fail, but because of those failures, you're gonna win.
My journey is nothing short of incredible.
My objective is to win trophies, and I know it's expected of us.
All right, let's go. Push up, boss.
1, 2, 3.